So what exactly is ClickFunnels and how to use it? In today's video, we are going to take a look on inside loop of ClickFunnels. And if this is your first time on my channel, consider subscribing. Hit that button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified about upcoming videos that I do regularly so I can help you out succeed. And if you will watch this video till the end, I'm going to share with you the funnel that you can generate thousands of dollars as a coach, consultant, and or any kind of service provider. Okay, so let's get started. So what is ClickFunnels? It is basically a software. It's a tool that helps you build sales funnels, webinars. I'll show you my funnels. Okay, so it's basically, now imagine if because before people were creating websites, and they still do, they just do not perform as well as funnels. Because let me show you an example. If for example, if you go to the page, the website of apple.com, okay, here we go. When you come here, you see lots of things, right? iPhone 11, MacBook Pro, iPad, and all these things, AirPods Pro. And remember, when a confused customer never buys, and this is confusing. I know, like, Apple is a huge brand. This is just an example, but if they are running ads, they should run it to a funnel and not to the website where there is countless of products, because the customer is confused then. And this is what ClickFunnels do. They because it's important when you want, for example, when you want your customer to buy just iPhone 11, you want to take them to the funnel where there is just iPhone 11 and its benefits and what it can do for them. And then and when you want to sell MacBook Pro, you build another funnel for that. And this converts pretty well. That's why websites are getting obsolete and funnels are really the future of marketing, and it's replacing websites altogether. So these are my funnels: client generating machine, sales funnel, webinar funnel, fragmentation funnel, membership funnel for my course, and consulting, and all these funnels. And so let's take a look at the example of on this client generating machine. So you basically take people through the steps. They land on the registration page, then they go to the training replay, and then to the calendar to book a call with me. All right, and so this is what funnel means. You're basically funneling people through the steps that you want them to take, because you don't want to confuse people. Confused people never buy, or they do, but less often as people who know precisely what steps they should take. And so let's take a look inside of each page. So here you can click edit page, where you can edit your funnel. It will load the editor, and as simple as that. You put logo here and a headline, and it's really simple. It's like drag and drop. Just take it, move it anywhere you want, like this. If you want to put it here, you put it here, and then you can put it back here or here. It's just drag and drop. It's really simple to use, and you put a button here. This is the action that you want people to take. Here you can include some benefits. And this is the action we want people to take. There is no other action on this website, okay? And here you can put action of this button. So I want people to open the pop-up, all right? Or you can channel them to the website or to the next step in the funnel. And when you choose open the pop-up, then it will open this pop-up here, all right, where people can register for this training. So they put first name, email address, and they get started, all right. And you basically, then when they submit, this pop-up, they click get started, it will take them to the next step of the funnel. And who is really powerful in creating funnels and funneling people to the next steps is Amazon. This $1 trillion company who is really great, not only in building funnels but other things. But this is something that Amazon is really good at. And then, so you go, this is the same button. You want to remember people to at least 2 buttons on the website. So because when people keep reading on your funnel, they can forget. And then you take them to the next funnel. So when people click it, they go to the next step, which is training. So let's take a look at that. I can even show you how it works, like on the website. All right, so let's take a look. So when people click the first funnel, so they will land here on the landing page, and then they register. They put their first name, email, and then they get started, and it will take them here to the second step, the second funnel. Okay, second step of the funnel. And where they watch the training and they can apply for a call with me. And here are some testimonials. And also as well, you can put your video. You can upload video to Vimeo, where you, if you're a coach or consultant, service provider, you can basically talk about things that can bring value to your potential prospects, and then your potential prospect can watch the video here. And as simple as that, you bring value, and when people like it, they can schedule a call with you right here, where they apply for a free strategy session with you. If you have some testimonials, you can put it right here, as testimonials increase, conversions of people scheduling call with you. And as simple as that, you just put your link here, you upload video to a Vimeo, and you put your link here of the training where people can watch it, find it valuable. And second step is scheduling a call. So let's take a look at that step. So here is a calendar, and where people can schedule a call. And this is a JavaScript, because I took a really powerful software for calendar. It's Calendly. This is great because you can. This is synchronized with Google Calendar in my phone. So when someone registers when someone schedules a call with me, it will directly go to my calendar in my phone. And so you can use it. It's a completely free software. You can put what's your call about, and here is its description, and then you can basically integrate this calendar to your Clickfunnels. Let me quickly show you how to do this. So you click here, home, and here is an add to website, inline empty, and you put continue, and you take this link, you copy the code, and you put it here in the JavaScript right here, okay, and paste it, and yeah, and then you just save it, and that's as simple. This is how you use calendar in your funnel. So this is as simple as that. And so let's take a look. So people can apply, and it will take them here. There is the calendar will pop up, and I will explain everything about the call. People can choose their dates. 5th, let's put 5th October, 8 a.m. They confirm, and then you want to, in your calendar, you want to put some pre-qualifying questions, all right, in it. So you can prepare yourself for the call. And we're not going to through this, but you can take a look on my website. And so this is ClickFunnels is really powerful, and you can basically use any kind of funnels. All right, now because you stuck with me until now on this video, I'd like to share with you this exact funnel so you can skyrocket your business as a coach, consultant, or service provider. You basically you can collect emails. I do this via Active Campaign, which is here, and you just take people through this funnel where they can watch free video, free value from you, and then they can schedule a call with you. And this is powerful because you will immediately give value to people up front, and you will also give them opportunity to pick a call at time that is comfortable, because some people just call people randomly, cold calling, and this is not what people want. People want to pick, because you have to understand, people have careers and families, they are busy, so you have to give them a chance to schedule a call with you the time that's comfortable for them. All right, like right here. So you can get this funnel completely for free. There is a link in the description. And so you just click it, it will take you to the ClickFunnels, and you will be able to start your 14-day trial of ClickFunnels. And you can start, booking appointments, scheduling calls, and make that money. It's completely for free for 14 days, and then it's like under $100 for a month. So, and you can, once you start using these tools, just investing in yourself, you will get your investment. If you get just one client, you will get it for $1,000. Let's say you can have ClickFunnels, like for a year with that money. So investing in yourself is really important, because when you just randomly call people and you do not have the process in place, how you can book this appointment and convert people to your customers, then it's really hard for you to operate that way, like most people do. So just click that button, click that link in the description, get this funnel, which will help you get started successfully on your journey to become wildly successful consultant or coach or any kind of service provider. Okay, so, and you can, when you get this funnel, you can also I will get a little commission. There is a disclaimer right there. I will get a little commission if you sign up, and it will help me to create these free videos for you guys that I put lots of my effort and energy into, so I can help you become successful. And when you get these funnels, you can create your own funnels. Other that maybe you will want to later on, when you get a couple clients, you will want to automate it and create online course. So you can create a webinar funnel like here. Let's quickly take a look at that. So there is also a registration page, webinar confirmation page, and broadcast room. Let's take a look at that. So this is, broadcast room. And, you just build your funnels. All right. Okay, I'll quickly show you how webinar page looks like. So here, your webinar is in progress. You want close window or presentation will end, and you want to tell people timer. You want to put timer here so people know how long it will take, your offer and everything. And also, this is a video from Vimeo. So you can, show people that some training, again, free value. That's all it is. If you offer more free value upfront, you will become really successful. Like, picture it like this. Why do you think Facebook is so successful company? Because they're offering the massive value upfront of people who can communicate freely around the whole world, and it's, online right in the moment. So that's why they offer massive value upfront, and then they make money on advertisement. Okay, just make sure you offer value everywhere and every time you can. So you can build your own funnels, and you have also account settings here that you can take a look. You can just play with this. It's a powerful software, and it's not going anywhere, because some people, they try to save money on these funnels because there are other softwares. The problem is that many of them already went bankrupt, or they will, and then you will have to learn new things and new stuff, and then it's just it's a burden and it's overwhelming. And I'm telling you, ClickFunnels is not going anywhere anytime soon, because its founder, Russell Brunson, is a very smart guy, and he offers best customer support to its users. And also, he's constantly improving the software. There are constant updates. So this is the reason why I chose ClickFunnels. And trust me, I've tried another softwares before, and it's just that were cheaper. In the end, you will get what you pay for. So that's a rule that I follow. All right, so I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Now, click the like button, comment below what you think. If you're using ClickFunnels, I'd like to know how you like it. And also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. And now watch another videos. How there is a playlist right here that you can click here, and it will help you generate leads to your funnels, and then close clients, close people, turn them into clients, and whole playlist that's helpful for anyone who wants to become successful consultant, coach, or service provider. All right, so just click it, and I will see you on the next video.